Hello, this is Ksenia with Rainbow Ranch Farms, and today I'm going to show you how I cut up a whole chicken. Of course, everybody does it differently, right? So I'm going to show you how I do it. So I start with the legs here, and I just score it. See the joint? Break it so that you can expose the bottom part of the joint. Just cut that off. Okay? There's the foot. Here's the score mark. Bend it back so that you can expose part of the joint there. Cut that off. Now these can get cut down even further. So we're going to do that in a little bit. This is the bum. Just slice it off. There's the bum. That's what I do. The head. The neck. So I do the neck a little differently than most other people. I like to score down the spine just a little further down than most others do. Just cut and score. Try not to run your expensive knives through the bone. And here we have the whole neck. Remove that esophagus if you see one there. There. Okay. Here we have the wing. Bend it back. There's the joint. And just cut right through. There's the wing. And we can cut the wing down even further. We'll do that on another video. But for right now, we're just going to do the larger cuts. Here we go. Under the armpit. A little toward the back. Score. See the bone? See the joint? Bend it back so you can see that joint. Sorry about that. There we have another whole wing. And again, this is how I do it. So I'm going to remove the leg, thigh, and I just cut through the skin. You can see where it needs to be cut. You can see where it needs to be cut. So you can see how it's a separate muscle. It's a completely separate muscle. I go right underneath that rib. Okay, right underneath that rib. Now get on the other side. I go right underneath that rib. Okay, what I like to do when I do thighs is I like to keep as much of the back on as possible. So what I'll do is I will cut here, just score here, and turn it over. And snap. See where the joints are? Just snap and snap. You can expose those joints so you can see where you're cutting. Here. There. Here's the leg and the thigh. We can cut that down even further. So no worries. And there's no real right or wrong way to do anything. It's just whatever you're wanting to do and what you want to cook and how much you want to save versus how much you want for the stew or the soup, right? There's no right or wrong way. Butchery is an art. And there's no right or wrong way. I just don't like to say that my way is the right way or the only way. It's not. In fact, if you have a better way of doing it, please share in the comments below. But this is just a crude way for the home family member be able to cut up a whole chicken very quickly and efficiently. No stress. Absolutely no stress. This is a white rock, okay? It's about 16 weeks old. I'm trying to get that. That is really on there. I'm not cutting it where I'm supposed to. That is always user error. Here we go. That is stuck on there. I'm going to have to pull that off. See, if I wasn't videotaping for you, this wouldn't happen. But because I'm videotaping, It's going to happen. There we go. And you can just clean this up any way you like. There's no right or wrong way to clean it up. And I usually do this very, very quickly. But because I'm videotaping for you, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So in the next video, I'll show you how to part all of these into smaller pieces. Thank you for spending part of your day with me today. Have a great day and see you again soon.